First of all, was that agreement ever entered into in consonance with the existing laws? Kita ga PPP. You are familiar. We have 3 lawyers there. Attorney David, Attorney Chona, Attorney Opinion. May proseso kita. If it's an unsolicited proposal, it goes through a process. Tapos ang process na, may bidding ka pa. Ang bidding dira, after you accept, you negotiate. After you negotiate, you come up with a final form. And then, after coming up with a final form, what do you do?
Swiss challenge.
Swiss challenge. It used to be 30 days, now 90 days. Pamangkot ko, did it go through that? Did it? Ako yung abogado ko yan. May mga issues ko. Second, kita tag-iyas ang duta. I'm very familiar with that plan. You know why? Governor Raman Nava and I worked very hard to get that land from Coast Guard. But during I was on my last term, Governor Rama was on his first term as congressman. Never happened. But when President Pinoy came in, Senator Frank worked so hard to get Malacanang to issue that presidential proclamation giving the city 1.5 hectares of land. What is the value?